Hey guys, today we're gonna be sending in my new 3DS XL to the mail. So right here I wrote my list about my new 3DS XL and what are the problems with it. I put this in a Ziploc bag, and then I'm gonna be sending in the AC adapter. That's what thing that they want me to include. So one thing we're gonna be doing is just putting the new 3DS XL inside of this packaging material. This is the one I do have right here. So we're just gonna lay this off just right here like so. Alright, so this is the best I could do. Just lay it off like that. And then one thing we're gonna do is add another cloth of crumbled paper like so. Put them on the corners as well. Then we're gonna put on some tape, we're gonna put on the shipping label, put on the tape, and we should be good to go. So this is my AC adapter that I've been having for like a very long time. As you can see by the rust of this, like look at that. So they're telling me that they want me to send in my AC adapter. So one thing we're gonna be doing just for this, although this fucking cable is like fucking 15 years old or something like that. Probably a little bit younger than me, I guess, since I gotten this from my DSi. So we're just gonna be putting this inside the packaging, just so from like inside of like this packing material. Goodbye, old AC adapter. So that cloth piece of paper is really snugly in. Nothing else is gonna fall apart during shipping. Alright, so now I'm gonna be cutting it up, the shipping label, because it's a little bit too big, and this have a little smaller box, but I don't want to cut off, you know, the fucking inner sides, and even the order ID that just came with it as well. So alright, so now I've cutted this up. Now one thing we're gonna be doing is just slip on the label. So it's maybe a little bit too big, but let's just see what happens. Got my clear tape right here, yo. So it's gonna be a little bit of a struggle. So the thing we're gonna be doing is just tape up the first side of the box just for it to hold. We're gonna be measuring this just like a little bit. So have this tight. Okay, got it. So now I'm gonna be attaching the shipping label. It's still kind of big as hell. I'm gonna cut off like the edges of it, so not too much. All right, that's pretty smooth. Now we're gonna be setting this up like how so. Okay, thanks, Air. Extremely liking this so far. We love tape, guys. So, the entire paper for that one copy that I had for that shipping label, which is ripped entirely. Yay! Fun! I'm gonna skip this entire thing so you don't have to hear this unsatisfying of this piece of tape just, ripping up the entire sides of the label. Yeah, I'm skipping that unsatisfying. And yep, entirely. That's why I have a secondary copy for this shit. I hate tape. On we go. Round 2. Round 2, just to do this abomination again. Although, may I put this, I have to cut this off. Alright, plop that in, and then just add that tape. Make sure this is like the clearest tape as well. You have to let them see it. Alright, we're making progress, y'all. Alright. So now we're getting this so far. And then, there you go. That's one way of putting your shit inside of here. So, now, one thing you have to do is just go to the UPS store and then send this out. There we go. And then now, so I did send it to the UPS store, and then now it's on to transit of repairing my broken ass new 3DS XL, sending it up to Nintendo. Yay! So now we wait until this further day. Yeah. After me waiting for like what? 3 years of just thinking about sending my Nintendo 3DS XL, the new one, yeah, the so-called new one, to send it out to repair. But I didn't really thought of otherwise, because I thought I was gonna be paying like $90, but turns out I was paying $101 because I do pay for my own money. But now, the reason why is that I waited for like a long time is that I didn't really have my own my own debit card, and my mom just had some controls of it because I wasn't 18 yet, so I only had like some kind of debit card, but it's not like an ordinary your own bank account debit card. It's just you have your parent or guardian just have control around your account, type of thing like that. But now, since I do own a bank account, I get to spend my own money in my own ways, since I do spend my own shit on it. But anyways, off of that, that's probably the reason why I waited for that, and I would have did it otherwise, like 3 years ago. But then, until I noticed some repair shops would not fix my 3DS, so I decided to send it out to Nintendo. Like I said, like the second time or either third, I don't remember. But anyways, yeah, as of now, I'm currently waiting on if I'm getting a new message or a new email by Nintendo and see if whether or not they fixed up my new 3DS XL. I'll keep you guys updated to that until they give me a new message, and I'll upload the new video and see if they actually did fix it or they just send me a replacement. But furthermore, in the note that I did not show you guys, I wanted the new 3DS XL in red instead of the black color that I used to have, because since I kind of really like the red stylish glossy finish on it instead of the black one. The black one's completely okay, but I just really love the red color design, so I did that little request on that side as well. So yeah, it concludes of this whole packaging my broken 3DS XL, including my fucking AC adapter that I've been having for a long time. So with that, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I make new videos. And so with that, thank you guys for watching. This is Domi Tech here, signing out. Bye.